Mirrors are one of the most transformative home decor pieces you can invest in, especially a statement mirror with a chic, vintage-inspired arch that not only gives you a full view when you're getting dressed and makes it super easy to capture the selfie, but these large mirrors can also give your space a multitude of elevated optical illusions. There are numerous options for cheap floor-standing mirror products, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable floor-standing mirror products from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sweetcrispy 59" by 16" full-length mirror. Aluminum alloy frame mirror, full-length, newly upgraded nano glass. Full size, the standing mirror is 59" in length and 16" in width, large enough for you to see your entire figure in a single glance. This is not only a body mirror, but also a piece of art in your house that can bring you a nice mood every day. Aluminum alloy frame, the wall mirror full length is surrounded by anti-rust and color-fast aluminum alloy. The very thin frame, only 0.23" wide on the front, is durable and has a shiny appearance. Wire drawing treat, more stylish and textured. Upgraded nano glass, our long mirror is made of durable 3mm high-definition nano glass. Upgrade explosion-proof nano glass with pure silver layer is more high definition and not easy to break. Even if it is accidentally damaged by an external force, the broken pieces of the mirror will not splash in all directions. Number 2. Natsukage full-length mirror. 80% glass, 20% metal. Specification: the size of the floor mirror is 51" by 16". Durable alloy frame, the frame is made of corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy material. Rectangular vertical frame, simple and precise in design, available in a variety of colors to add a beautiful and elegant look to your room. Explosion-proof HD glass, anti-splash explosion-proof film, anti-shatter. Broken glass will not be splashed even if it is impacted by external force, which is safer and more protective. High-definition glass lens, the image is clearer and more realistic, and will not morph the way you look. Floor-standing mirror and wall-mounted mirror. The full-length mirror can be leaned directly against the wall, or hung on the wall with the behind hook, or stand on the floor with the standing bracket. Multifunctional body mirror is suitable for dressing room, bedroom, bathroom, corridor, living room, etc. Number 3. HARRITPURE full-length mirror. 64" by 21" modern rounded full-length mirror are enough to display your entire figure in a single glance. The body mirror could make you more light, beauty, and confidence. The large floor mirror frame is elegant, which especially highlights the beauty of the mirror. The aluminum alloy frame looks more classic. The full-length freestanding mirror is crafted with aluminum alloy frame, measured 0.32" wide, which creates a fashion finish. The rounded design is more safer to use. Our wall mirror is made of high-quality explosion-proof membrane process glass. Provide Super HD undistorted reflection effect. It featured anti-rust, moisture-proof, oxidation-resistant, durable, sturdy. Even if it is accidentally damaged by an external force, the broken pieces of mirror will not splash in all directions. Number 4. JAWGLOW arched full-length mirror. Product size: this is a full-length mirror, its size is 65" by 22". Arch design: the arched frame design makes it more artistic. Whether it is placed in the living room or the bedroom, it will look so unique. About installation: this mirror can be placed anywhere in the home. It can be hung on the wall or leaning against the corner of the bedroom. There is an independent bracket behind. You can put it where you want to put it. If you want to hang it on the wall, then there is a wall hook on the back to achieve the effect you want. About the mirror: we use a standard mirror, and it has anti-sputtering function. Even if the mirror is broken, it will not splash everywhere, to ensure the safety of you and your family. Number 5. NISHCON arched full-length mirror. Gold arched full-body mirror. The full-length mirror is 64" in length and 21" in width, Perfect size to show your entire figure in the full mirror. The archtop design has a sense of extending upward, visually making the arched mirror taller. Modern arch design makes the full-length mirror elegant and classic. The full-length standing mirror for walls is not only a dressing tool but also a home decoration. Brighten and highlight your space. Premium quality floor mirror. Our full-length wall mirror is made of durable aluminum alloy frame and 3 mm high-definition nanoglass. Upgrade nanoglass with pure silver layer is more high definition and not easy to break. Gold metal frame is sturdy, anti-rust and color-fast. With a layer of explosion-proof membranes, it can help you avoid hurting yourself by broken mirror fragments. Our full-length mirror is in a good quality and safer during transportation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.